Hey guys, I'm Alex from 3D Brothers, and in this video I want to show you how to use offsets inside Motionbuilder. This is useful if you want to animate your object and export them without any offsets. So you can move your objects around, rotate them in the world, but then when you export them you don't need those offsets anymore, as you will use the objects separated from each other. So let me do this step. First I'm going to create a null, zero him out, and call it scene offset. Inside the scene offs, I'm going to duplicate it and create another offset for door. So in my example, the door needs to be moved and rotated to place the player, to place a key here. That's alright. Alright, so now the key I have on the door, see its translation, it's 0 and it's facing the right axis. I go to global and yeah, to local is facing the Z axis, and I don't have any keys here. I can still have a key, and if I go to F curves, my translation is 0. Another thing that's useful to do is if you have your object and if you also have a character, a skeleton, as we recorded mockup for both the actor and the door at the same time, and you can place both of the objects into this scene offset, then align the scene based on the center of mass of that skeleton. So I'll create a null object, call it 0. So you can have this object, like you have the character starting here, and I'm using this short Python script to zero the scene, which is the scene offset, zero the scene offset based on the position of this object. So when I run it, you see it moved the 0 point and also offset the door. And you can use constraints to constrain this 0 point to any part of the character, or like I said, we are using the center of mass of the character, and then you move it in place like this. And if I will be to export this animation for the door, you can see that it's facing the Z-axis, and the origin is at 0.